Hello everyone, I am in the mood to do eyeshadow today. So this is gonna be a makeup tutorial. It's gonna consist of black as the base, a little bit of green, oh that's broken, then a little bit of green on top of the black, a little speckled green that is, and for the topper, green glitter. So I just feel like this is great for Halloween, like a witchy blackish green, but it's just gonna be fun. I feel like I could get away with this since it's October and it's almost Halloween. So maybe this could inspire you if you want to be a witch, if you want to be an ogre, a glamorous ogre, then I think this would be for you. This is just a Tuesday for me and I just want some eyeshadow on. When using black, you don't want to just go in with straight on black. So I always like to apply a couple browns just to warm it up a little, and it makes the black blend and not be so harsh. So I'm gonna prime my eyes first. This is a NYX glitter primer, so I'm just using this. I think it's important to prime your eyelids because it just helps your eyeshadow not wear away throughout the day. Same thing, same as a face primer. Oh, this one's really sticky. It's NYX glitter primer. All right, first I'm going in with a couple of these light brown shades. It's gonna be pretty messy. There's nothing special to this. I just want to get these light brown shades on before the black. Like I said, it'll just soften it a little and help the black not look so harsh or streaky. Could even go in with a little darker color. Alright, I got the gist of it on. Now time to go in with the black. This one's by Estee Lauder. It's the Victoria Beckham black eyeshadow, but this is totally not necessary. You can take any black eyeshadow you have. So since this shadow is so dark and I already have makeup on my face, I'm gonna grab my really nice toilet paper. I'm telling you, this one is really nice. I'm just using that as a shield. And then in circular motions, I'm buffing in the black. So I feel like this is gonna take a couple coats to get the true consistency that I want. And I'm just using the same brush as well. I just feel like it helps all the colors blend a little more naturally. And it's just easier. I think this is such a pretty, sexy way to do a smoky black eye. It's not too intense for all this black eyeshadow. So I think by taking the time to apply the browns, the different shades of browns and tans, you know, starting off with a light color and then a tan and then a little darker brown and then the black, I think that really ensures that you have a really pretty smoky black. And I don't think this is too dark. You definitely stop here if you just want to do a black, sultry, smoky eye. You can apply some of the browns on the your lower lash line. I wouldn't apply black on my lower lash line because then you could risk having raccoon eyes. But all in all, very smoky. Very smoky, very subtle, very sexy. So to intensify it and get the green, I'm going to take the same brush and I'll dip it into my green speckled, like a black green speckled glitter. This is Smutty Green eyeshadow by MAC. And just going over everything. So this has glitter in it and just hints of green. So this might be a color that I do need to wet the brush. I just got makeup setting spray. So I'm gonna see how this will intensify the green to see if it will pick up more of the glitter and that green color. And I'm also taking a more compact brush. It's just a little smaller than the fluffier one I was using. So spray it, dip it in. Gonna spray it again, and now pack it on. Yes, that's exactly what I want. See how that intensified it? just really helps to wet the brush, I think. How pretty that is. Very pretty. Now to take it up a notch, I'm going to apply green glitter. Just because I love green glitter. Just a little. I'm going to use that same brush that I used the other green. Apply some of this. I'm just going straight at it. Okay, this will pick up some of the green. I'm going to work from the lid. Okay, here we go. All right, good. Now I need to clean up a little of my inner eye, so I'm gonna go get some makeup remover, because the problem with black, it definitely got in my inner eye and that casts a shadow. So I want to brighten my inner eye, so I'm gonna get some makeup remover and concealer and clean that up. To clean it up, I just get my micellar water and a Q-tip. Get that all wet. You know, that glitter and black is really messy. I'm gonna dry it, pat it dry, and now go in with a little concealer. To clean that up. Now I want to apply a little green eyeliner to my lower lash line to complement what I got going on top. Oh, this one's not the best. I'm applying this in my waterline. And then just a little mascara. I'm not applying any eyeliner on top. I'm just leaving it as is, but you can definitely apply a wing or line your lashes, apply false lashes. So whether you're a spooky witch or an ogre or Tinkerbell or Green Goddess, Poison Ivy, then I think this is great for Halloween or fall or October. I think the black smoky eye plus the green glitter is a little spooky. You'll have to let me know what you think about this, but I sure do appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you another day. Bye.